Ever wondered how to transform the daunting task of traveling with kids into a delightful experience? Well, worry not. This video dives into practical tips and advice to make your family adventures a breeze. First up, preparation is key. Start by involving your kids in the planning process. Let them choose a few activities or places they'd like to visit. This not only builds their excitement, but also gives them a sense of responsibility and ownership over the trip. Secondly, pack smart. Remember, less is more. Stick to the essentials and avoid overpacking. A simple tip is to roll clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and keeps the clothes wrinkle-free. Also, remember to pack a separate bag with essential items such as snacks, toys, and a change of clothes for the kids. This bag should be easily accessible during the journey. Thirdly, always have a contingency plan. Despite the best-laid plans, things can go awry. Be it a delayed flight or a sudden bout of sickness, it's crucial to stay flexible and have a backup plan. Next, schedule plenty of downtime. Kids can get overwhelmed with too much activity, so make sure to incorporate rest days or quiet time into your itinerary. Another crucial tip is to keep your kids engaged during travel. This can be achieved by packing a variety of activities such as books, games, and drawing materials. These items will keep them entertained and less likely to become restless or irritable. Lastly, remember to slow down. Kids operate on a different time schedule. They need time to explore, play, and simply be kids, so don't rush. Enjoy the journey at their pace. To sum up the main points discussed in this video: 1. Involve kids in the planning process. 1. Pack smart and light. 1. Always have a contingency plan. 1. Schedule plenty of downtime. 1. Keep kids engaged during travel. 1. Slow down and enjoy the journey at their pace. With these practical tips and advice, traveling with kids won't seem like a daunting task anymore, but rather a delightful experience. So, gear up for your next family adventure and create unforgettable memories.